Good morning, children. I am Kesan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Bisen School. In previous class, we have discussed the chapter integers. Today also we have to continue the same topic, integers only. So all of you open your book, exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, topic integers only. See, a submarine was situated 600 feet below the sea level. Okay, so first one, a marine was situated 600 feet below sea level. So below sea level, if it ascends 250 feet, what is its new position? What is its new position? Okay, children. So submarine was situated 600 feet below sea level. So that means, so earlier position of submarine, earlier position of submarine okay, below sea level, below sea level, that is equal to, okay, see, below sea, above sea level means plus, below sea level means minus, we have to consider. Suppose this is the position, this is above and this is below. Okay, so below means we have to choose minus sign, above means we have to choose plus sign. So it is minus 600 feet. Okay, next, if submarine ascends 250 feet, okay, if submarine ascends 250 feet, 250 feet, then sin, then new position of submarine is equal to minus 600 plus 250. Why? Because see, if ascends means increase, descends decrease. Ascends we have to choose with the sign plus, descends we have to choose with the sign minus. So minus 600 plus 250 feet, that means say minus 600 plus 250, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, then 5 minus 2, 3, so minus 350 feet, minus 350 feet. Understood, children? So this is the solution for the first question, exercise 1.6, integers. Okay, children, note down. Second question, write down. Next to second one, the second one, the temperature of a particular place at noon, the temperature, the temperature of a particular place at noon on a winter day, on a winter day was 5 degrees centigrade. At midnight, the temperature had at midnight, okay, the temperature had midnight, the temperature had the temperature had dropped by 12 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature at midnight? What was the temperature at midnight? Okay, children, see, in this question we have to observe the temperature at noon. See, the temperature at noon, the temperature at noon on a winter day, on a winter day, that is equal to 5 degrees centigrade. Okay, children, but at midnight the temperature had dropped by 12 degrees centigrade. So temperature dropped at midnight. Okay, so temperature dropped, had dropped by 12 degrees centigrade. Okay, the temperature had dropped at midnight, at midnight. See, dropped means minus, okay, decrease. That means how much it is dropped? 12 degrees centigrade. That means that is equal to minus 12 degree centigrade. Now what we have to find? What was the temperature at midnight? So the temperature at midnight is equal to, so temperature at midnight is equal to 5 degrees centigrade plus minus 12 degree centigrade. That is equal to 5 degree centigrade minus 12 degree centigrade, that is equal to minus 7 degree centigrade. So this is the final solution for this question. I hope you understood very well, children. Note down. See, next to third one. See, next to third one. The sum of two integers is minus 250. The sum of two integers is minus 250 if one integer is 120, if one integer is 120, find the other solution. See, children, if the sum of the two integers is minus 250, suppose a and b are two integers, then what we can say that a plus b is equal to minus 250. So like this, the sum of the two integers is equal to minus 250. So therefore sum of two integers is equal to minus 250 if one integer is equal to 120. So therefore one integer is equal to 120. Therefore the other integer is equal to x. Let the other integer is equal to x. So what we can say that according to problem, sum of these two, 120 plus x is equal to minus 250. So x is equal to, now we have to transpose plus 120 to the right hand side. So therefore x is equal to minus 250 minus 120. This plus 120 transposing that side, it will become minus 120. So x is equal to minus 250 minus 120. So add these two, minus 250 minus 120 minus 370. Therefore the other integer x is equal to, therefore the other integer is equal to minus 370. Okay, children. So this is the third one solution. I hope you understood very well. Note down. Next, fourth one and fifth one you try. Otherwise, in next class again I will explain that. Why? Because third one and sixth one in the same process. Sixth problem I will tell you. 4 and 5 you try. Otherwise, I will only explain. So sixth one, now I am going to explain the sixth sum. Once you read the question, children, read the question. Sixth one, the product of two negative integers, the product of two negative integers, two negative integers is 420. 420. If one integer is -5, if one integer is -5, find the other. Find the other. Children, once you observe the previous question and third one and sixth one, some similarity is there. Once you can observe the similarity is in the product of two negative integers. Okay, so the product means what? Multiplication. The product of two negative integers is equal to 420. Okay, one negative integer is -5, so therefore one negative integer is equal to -5. Find the other. Therefore, let the other negative integer is equal to negative integer minus x. So x is greater than 0. Why? Because x is greater than 0. X is positive. Positive into negative, negative. So minus into, okay, minus x. Okay, x is positive integer. So minus x, negative integer. Clear, children? So x is positive integer. Okay, next. Now, therefore, according to problem, product of two negative integers, that means -5 into minus x is equal to 420. So minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. So 5x is equal to 420. X is equal to 420 by 5. That means 5 8s are 40. Okay, 42, 2 0 20. 5 4s are 20. So therefore the negative integer, therefore the other negative integer, therefore the other negative integer is equal to minus x. That means minus 84, not plus 84. See, this is x 84, then minus it will become minus 84. X is 84, so minus x means minus 84. We have to find negative integer, so that's why the other negative integer is equal to minus x. Minus x means minus 84. Clear, children? Note down. I hope you understood very well. Okay, children. So this is my today's class. So what is today's homework? Homework. Chapter name integers. Okay. Example sums. See, page number 11. So page number 11, two examples are there. The two examples do it. Exercise 1.6. First problem, second problem, third problem, and sixth problem. 4, 5 I did not explain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6. Why? Because these two are like similar problems. This is depends on addition. This is depends on multiplication. That's why I explained these two. Okay, children. So 4 and 5 also I will tell you. Okay. Next class I will tell you. Okay, children. These sums you have to do practice in your homework book. Okay, children. Thank you, everybody.